Did you know that over 5 years, most companies pay SAP more than the original license cost, just in annual support fees? That's right. At 22% per year, SAP support quickly becomes one of the biggest recurring IT expenses in the enterprise budget. Let's break it down. SAP offers two main tiers, standard support and enterprise support. The difference? Not always service quality, but the cost. And that 3 to 4% annual uplift SAP quietly adds can compound fast. So where can you push back? The best opportunities come at renewal or when buying new licenses. Use those moments to negotiate a global support discount or even a freeze on uplift rates for the next few years. You can also audit your portfolio. Many organizations still pay maintenance on unused or retired licenses. SAP won't volunteer a refund, but you can push for a credit or exclusion. Here's an insight. The biggest savings don't come from arguing over percentages. They come from knowing exactly what's still in use. Once you can prove certain licenses aren't active, your negotiation leverage skyrockets, and if SAP still won't move, consider third-party support options. Providers like Rimini Street can cut your maintenance bill by up to 50%, though you'll give up future SAP updates. For stable systems, it's a smart way to save millions while keeping support continuity. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises analyze support portfolios, build business cases for reductions, and negotiate improved terms directly with SAP. If your SAP support costs are outpacing your value, contact us. We'll help you turn your renewal into real savings.